Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Place the prepared ears of corn on a medium heat grill, rotating the corn every so often. Allow the corn to slowly continue cooking for another 15 to 20 minutes. You will know it is done when you press a kernel and it shoots out its sweet liquid. Do not overcook the corn or it will become mushy.
Let's help you make your mark.
Why is my grilled corn chewy? If your corn is coming out chewy, it is probably overcooked. When corn cooks too long, the sugar breaks down in the cell walls and the corn gets mushy and chewy. Try to make sure you only cook the corn until the kernels are plump and tender. 27 June 2019.
Take our lead.
15 to 20 minutes. Place the corn on the grill, close the cover and grill for 15 to 20 minutes, turning every 5 minutes, or until kernels are tender when pierced with a paring knife. Remove the husks and eat on the cob or remove the kernels. Serve with the barbecue butter and/or herb butter. Spread over the corn while hot.
Take our lead.
If you're grilling corn in the husks, it's a good idea to soak the husks. This keeps them from burning and also adds a bit of moisture so the interior steams as it grills. This technique yields juicy, tender kernels bursting with corn flavor in every bite. 28 June 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.